what you do to solve poverty problem is not just throwing money in the air. We need to deal with mindset and orientation. Poor people wear the most expensive things. They use money for the most unnecessary things. It's a mindset. The culture is wired in such a way that we say things like, it is the way you dress that you be addressed. Fantastic. It's good to look good, but at your cost, at the level of what you can afford. Two young people are planning to get married. They don't know what they are going to eat after marriage, but they are going to put all those money for a colorful reception. And why are we doing that? So that my pictures too can be fine. We have to begin to investigate what are the things you are doing to service somebody's opinion, not because they are necessary, or you just want to help people manage their opinion or their impression about you. A girl that's not bought one book is buying human hair 250,000 and she's cutting, but there's human hair 250k. Opposed to you are a man, so you may never understand what human hair means. It lasts longer. No problem. I know when it gets to that point, I don't try to argue for you to think about it. What you have just said, does it make sense? In fact, beware of girls that you meet. The day you meet them, they just tell you that you won't believe my rent just expired. How much is your rent? Say my rent is 590,000. I'm going to pay agent fee and all that. You know the way Abuja is. Consider it done. He doesn't have food at home. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's culture.